Yesterday I told you US30 above 32,900, which is a magnetic number. If it stays away from this, specifically 33,050, you can expect it to see a stronger rise. And see what we have seen. We have seen almost 33,300 there, and in fact beyond plus levels. And US100 likewise, till the time it trades about 12,900, 12,950 zone, it can try to fly high 13,130, 13,150, 13,200. Till 13,200 it has got a stronger resistance. Now I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Missing on to subscribe is just missing on to profits. Don't commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day with NASDAQ100 first. See one thing, 13,150 giving it a resistance. Higher lows it is also seeing. Lower highs it is seeing. I will see for a breakout. If it breaks beyond 13,150, you can again expect similar size of candle where it can rally till towards 13,200 and plus levels. At the same time, if it drops below this zone at 13,130, I will say not 13,130 but 13,100. Yes, below 13,100 you can again expect it to come back for 13,1. Rather I will say 13,070 first support, 13,050 next support, and below 13,050 it will call for further bears till 13,000 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge and crossover for a sell entry. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise it is getting the resistance, lower highs, higher lows, indicating consolidation. Only if it breaks below 13,100, yes, you can expect further more bearishness till towards 13,070, 13,050, and if it breaks 13,050, you can remain bearish for 13,000 levels, and below, in fact below 13,000 we may see a good drop. Directional movement moderately bullish on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is extremely bullish. It is divergent. It must start to converge again. From here, RSI near to top, indicating bullishness there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see firstly the bullishness here, consolidation and a bullish candle. Now it is trying to consolidate again. I will be watchful. If it further gives a bullish candle, it is going to give you extremely bullish candle, which may try to take it till towards 13,300 levels. So once it draws below 13,150, once it trades above 13,150, yes, you can go long and one can expect it to rise further. Above 13,150, my target is 13,210, 13,280 levels. At the same time, see this, it is trying to trade in this zone, and once it draws below 13,100, we can expect it to drop for 13,070 and 13,050, and then 13,000 levels. Only below 13,000 you can expect that the bears are out and it is going to drop. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. It may try to consolidate and drop. MACD is extremely bullish and divergent. It may try to converge. RSI flat near to top. And on the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts. See, it is trying to trade in this. At the same time, look at the highs here. It is trying to give you or consolidate in between these levels. 13,150 definitely a stronger resistance. Also remember, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and possibly it may get a push again on the downside. Just be watchful of 13,100. Below that, yes, you can expect 13,070, 13,050 and 13,000 levels to provide a support. Below that, we can expect 12,950 and 12,900 levels again. Above 13,150, possibility exists that you can see it getting the resistance at 13,200, 220 and 13,250, 300 levels. If you look at the directional movement, this is extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. So still it has got the bullishness out there. Now look at the daily charts. Now, did not I show you yesterday that it is trying to create a symmetry? These two candles are alike and it may see lower highs from what you send, and at max it may try to achieve the double top and replicate this candle. So lower highs indicates that it may try to drop from here. It is still bearish. It may try to trade in this channel itself. So this is an important, see, this is the beauty. I told you very clearly that it may try to achieve the highs. I hope you all profited here. Now see, if it draws below 13,100, you can again go short and see how far it can go drop. It can again come back till towards 12,970, 12,950. Only bearishness is below 12,950 levels. If it drops below those levels, definitely it will call for the bears. At the same time, trading beyond 13,150, definitely we will see 13,200, 20 and 13,300 levels. 13,300 levels are, see, 13,260 also is a resistance. This is the 20 period moving average, and then 13,300 should come into picture, which is a larger resistance. So be cautious. We do not trade between 13,100 and 150 levels, and rather I will say 13,100 and 160. Rather keep this 60 points as a no trade zone. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading flat, and on the weekly chart, see it is trying to reverse. It is, see, remember there is a gap out there, and this gap is about 13,200 levels, and this gap is, it may try to fill, and it can try to rise from here till towards 13,300. Possibility exists and drop from those levels. Directional movement is bearish in the weekly charts. The stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is bullish, RSI trading flat. Considering this, in between 13,160 and 13,100 do not trade, and between below 13,100 you can expect it to drop further till towards 13,050 good support, 13,000 good support, 12,960, 970 another good support. Only if it drops below 12,950 it will call for the bears out there. So go short at 13,100. At the same time, you can stay long above 13,160, then 13,220, 13,260, 13,300. These are the three levels where it may get very strong resistance and a pushback on the downside. So you can take your positions accordingly. Stay long above 13,160, stay short below 13,100. Now this is the for NASDAQ 100. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, if you think that I am making some help to your day trading decisions, you can become a patron. Just a supporting patron is good enough for me. That will be a motivation. And yes, if you want to gain, or if you want to trade as per the signals, and if you want to have a discussion with me regarding your positions, regarding the future direction, or any advisory, you can become a consulting partner, where you can be a monthly member for in the pattern. There is a tiered membership, and there you can approach me one-to-one, and we can discuss on any of your trading issues. So the pattern link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can learn from me. You can be a part of my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. Becoming a mentorship batch, part of mentorship batch, definitely you can become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now this is the US30 on the hourly chart. Now look on the hourly chart. See the bullish, it is bullish, but the bullishness is getting diminished. The body size is diminished, and it is trying to reverse from here. Possibly a good long entry is only if you see it trading beyond 33,320 levels. Beyond 33,320 you can stay long, until the time it trades below. A good short entry is below 33,250 and 240 levels. So rather I will recommend below 33,250 you can stay short, and 33,320 you can stay long. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI near to top. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see after little consolidation it is trying to rise, and this is going to give you further bullish candles. Be watchful of 33,320. Beyond that we may see it flying for 33,400. 400 is a good resistance. 500 is the next resistance level. And if you look at the directional movement, it is bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely bullish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, precisely getting the resistance here at this zone, support there at this zone. It is trying to consolidate. Yes, it can give you a breakout, and still it may fall back in this zone. Be cautious till 33,000 levels. Till the time it trades above 33,000, it is going to remain bullish. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought here, which may call for a drop there. Directional movement is bullish, and if you see RSI, this is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, it is still giving. This is a green candle. Definitely the highs of the Bollinger Bands and the 100 period moving average may give it a resistance. Be watchful of 33,320. Only beyond 33,320 you can expect that the bullishness may prevail. Else below 33,250 it will call for a drop. Then 33,170, 150, and then 33,100, 33,000 level should come into picture, which is going to be stronger resistance zone. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, it is showing a reversal here, and after the reversal we have seen it giving you higher highs and higher lows. Yes, 33,320 levels you can find out a stronger resistance at around this zone. 20 period moving average, simple and exponential, lying till 33,340 levels. So be cautious till 33,340, and beyond that we can see 33,400, 33,500 levels should be the target. So rather I will say a comfortable long entry should be at around 33,320 and 340 levels. This is the zone beyond which if it trades we can see it trading bullish. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is coming out of the oversold zone looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still bearish here. The RSI is comfortable. And considering this only short entry we can see is if you see it trading below 33,240, you can go short for 33,200, 150, 100, and then below that we may see a very good drop. So in between 33,240 and 33,340, do not trade for these 100 points and stay cautious in between these 100 points. So take your positions accordingly. Remember 33,500 and 33,600 are the two stronger resistance zone which it has to pass. If it trades beyond 33,600, it is going to act extremely bullish. Trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss till 33,600. On the downside, 33,000 is going to remain the support level for the day. Below 33,000, it will further call for bearishness, and then 32,900, which is the magnetic level, will come into picture. So go short at 33,240, go long at 33,320. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and become a patron. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.